Imo State Governor, where all of us know as Governor Hope Uzodinma, don't come outside, can't challenge Nigerians. So say make Nigerians tell them why APC no go win the next general election. This one a real jam question. Which kind of question be this one? Say why why they no go win? Wetin I don't do? Where you come dey talk say which reason we won't give on? Now him they talk this one say Nigerians no get any concrete evidence. So say everything we just they talk. Now just mouth talk. Say we never give them any evidence about this Buhari administration. Say this administration are failure. Say no better evidence to talk. Say even the problem where they happen for Nigeria. Now people now they try pull Nigeria down. That means now the youths, now the people where they even live for Nigeria. Now then they try for Nigeria by themselves. Because of say waiting, he never see anybody. And they hear within this government talk, say nobody don't come outside, say governments no they perform. I can't they wonder, bless all the things what they talk, they just they enter one ear, they come outside for the next ear because this man they talk say him never hear anything, no, as he be. Say even people where they complain, say that they always pay salaries. Now wow, more people be like say in our own governor, if they do things for them, and they can get mouths, get power, they come outside when they talk this kind of matter. Say salaries, nobody go come outside say they never pay a salary. Say even road. Say the road good. That means if it's not only Imo State, now this thing they work for. Because for Lagos, where me I know. In fact, if you enter Ojo, enter moto. If your belly no thumb, where we say if you reach out now shit, now go even first carry you reach out. If you no do it like that means no be Lagos you did. Lagos road wey no even good, especially this Ojo road. All of us know Iyanoba road. That road no even good at all. Now this man they talk say, the government don't do road. Say road good. Say even railway stations good. In fact, not only that one, I know say government don't even work on. One I know say, and that one self, some area, they never even put the rail. I mean, even the stones, talklet of say, they won't come, they build the railway station for that place. So, this thing where this man, they talk, it can't be like say, now another country, in the, if let's say Ghana, be a Togo country, now they talk about, I'm not sure say, now this our Nigeria, where all of us, they live inside, now they talk about. And they can't even talk the one way over shock me. Say, they do youth empowerment, and say, everybody, everybody, including you, when they watch this thing, say you know if you come outside talk, say you know benefit. What? This thing they shock me, they even surprise me. So me like this, I go come outside and I talk, say I benefit from your work when I don't even benefit. Now wow, Nigeria, our government na sabi lie. See as now they talk this line they sweet on her. Say people don't benefit from empowerment. Which empowerment na give us? On I teach people things where we say people say they no go. Even this empowerment where they do, all of us know say this thing a connection. If there's no person, they go carry all these laws, go give their own family. Like say now only their family and they won't make their progress. People will not to get. In fact, and I go just there on their own or you're in a day. So all this one where this man when they talk, because they even give me heart fail. God. In fact, my heart they ache for all this kind of matter where this man they talk. Because he don't even conclude saying we no get any concrete evidence about this government. Say because the government they work, they do things. Say the only thing when they hear now, headsmen and farmers they fight. This one they happen. And last before everything go happen, we go hear say they don't kidnap 200 people. Say now the only thing when they hear and say all these things when they ain't believe in action. Say make people come as I come face them. Talk this thing. Nobody say we go talk for one corner. So all this talk where people they talk every day, people go do video. It means say the thing no they enter their ear. Maybe now that protest where people they do. It bless now that one they enter their ear where because this one where person they even talk. They say they no hear. It can't be. If like all of them they need cleaning of ears. The one way go talk, president say go say no here, be no. Now, governor of Imo State don't come out and say himself no hear all these kind of things. Say the other things where people they even complain, say insecurity. Say nothing be that kind of things where they happen. Say now youth, now people now they go outside, they will come outside for midnight, won't go cause all this casala. They will come outside and say, now government ain't go do this one. Now say now we they do all these kind of things, so guy you shock us. Because if say now people they do this kind of thing, they no go still come outside when they complain, say, una no they work. One person go they kill you yourself. All this way they even talk say why na no go win for 2020. Make na forget this thing now no be even about politics. No be about APC or PDP. We need better leaders. Now leaders will go fit work for the country. Person will be say but even care for the nation. No be one way we go dey talk before we go see. You don't go carry army make dem come kill citizens. No be that kind of person we define. So forget say APC or PDP. We never even know who we will even vote for. So make you forget that kind of matter. And look, your own state in particular, even they in chaos. You never even talk about that one. The way they kill and do, you know, see that one, no? You can't they talk saying all the way they talk, now mouth talk. I don't understand you, Oga. It be like say all these government people, what did I go conclude, It be like say all of them, they don't swear one kind oath. They don't carry them go babalawo place. Say if you talk anything about this government, if you talk any bad thing, they go kill you. It be like say now I make them know if you talk because it be like say all these government people now then they feed them. Now I make this man go get power, get liver, can't talk this kind of thing. Make I even talk say this man no even get sense. Because you self, this man, make I know in children, he himself, in they see say things no they work out well. But I be like say everybody just they fear to talk. What would not they fear for that? Buhari have been a who now a bubu na they fear. This kind of matter tire me it dey even vex me because all this one with this man they talk. Person no fit just come outside. All the shout people they shout now. The man can't talk say he no even hear anything. Then the only thing where him don't hear now about headsman and farmer where they fight. So that means all our shouting, all our talking, now in vain. Now, wow, my people, now so I bring this story for now. Anything way now feel about what this man talk, making a write down for the comment section. Then making a don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you on for our next video. Now, wow, Nigeria people go just wake up, bring new rule, come the country. Now, House of Rep don't receive proposal to say they won't change Nigeria name to UAR. Where go mean United African Republic or United Alka-Bulan Republic. Ha! This kind Alka-Bulan, how people want to pronounce this name? Ordinary Nigeria self, they find them hard self to call because of the bad things that don't they happen. Now Alka-Bulan, people won't come they pronounce. This man now, will be task consultant, will bring this proposal. In name na Mr. Adeleye Jokotoye. Now him break this thing for the Southwest Zonal Public Hearing where happen for Lagos. Him talk say this name now, say it go help people physically and psychologically. It go help Nigeria, bring Nigeria into a new beginning. Say because this name, now our colonial masters, that those Oyinbo people will come that time, now then give this name to Nigeria. So Nigeria now supposed to change this name, then change our law, so that we go get new things go they flow, so that all those bad things with the name go follow the name go. I can't they wonder, now name changing, I go can't change this country. All the things where they happen, and I know they think about that one, and I confuse say, if you not change name, now everything go happen. People they think of bandit and the things where they happen on our government in our Sudan, they think about name. Now wow, but anyways, this name in the talk say, ain't choose this name, this United African Republic, because of say we get plenty ethnic groups. And if they bring this thing together, all of us go there united. Now I make them choose this United African Republic. And say this Alka-Bulan, all of us know say this name hard. Say the real meaning now, United Mother of Mankind Republic. I can't they wonder, I just say Nigeria and a fatherland. Which one can be Mother of Mankind? Mother of Mankind. I don't quite even they understand this kind name where they give Nigeria. So now if now why even write no more Nigeria? We go to write my country Alka-Bulan. Don't talk say Buhari the president of Alka-Bulan. Don't bring new law say now wow we go just make mumu decision. But as it be like this, all of us have no say this united where they will even use. Nothing they united for Nigeria. Everything na jaga jaga. So what thing that they bring united inside this matter for? Make na leave the matter as it be. Nothing they united. Make na focus on Nigeria itself. Forget them. And hope say no be ways when I go use take collect money now they find. Maybe that don't they look say if na change the name, people go do new passports. But nobody get money. Nobody they do anything. Make na leave the name as it be. Make we the manager, make na work on things wey no good for the country. Before I go they think of name when I want change. And this Nigeria itself, problem don't even too much. If you not change this name, I no sure say anything go change. Wahala where they go still there. No be about name changing. Fine, if I want change the constitution, make na change am. But no be say name self go can't go. Like nothing they change. All of us no country where we dey. That means we go change our president self now. If I want change everything, politicians so everything make them change everything. Now that way now it go just good. Because this kind only name changing and then constitution will it help? It no help anybody as it be. But as this matter be like this, now here I go stop am. But as I see am, I share you. Now be this URL. Make I just leave am for Naija. Make we dey manage our Naija, my country as it be like this. Now here I go end this matter. Make I no forget to like, share, and subscribe. As I go see you now for our next story.